The Lincoln Aviator SUV features Open On Approach, a hands-free way to open the rear cargo area. The Open On Approach feature requires no other gestures like pushing buttons or kicking under the bumper, which helps make it easy to load cargo if your hands are full when you stand behind the Aviator. To turn Open On Approach on or off, go to Settings on your center touchscreen, select Vehicle, Power Liftgate, and toggle the feature on or off. All you need to make Open On Approach operate is to have the key fob in your pocket or purse, stand within 3 feet of the rear of the vehicle. The vehicle will chime and the tail lamps will flash 4 times over 4 seconds, letting you know that the liftgate is about to open. If you remain in the zone, the vehicle will chime and the tail lamps will flash quickly 3 additional times as the liftgate opens. When your vehicle is parked in a garage and the garage door is closed, you can walk behind the vehicle without Open On Approach activating as long as the key fob is in the inactivity zone, which is 16 inches off the rear bumper, or if you have the feature turned off. In order for the Open On Approach feature to engage and function properly, the vehicle must be either turned off or remotely started, and it must also be locked and in park. Thank you for watching.